Hello, welcome my Tango Academy online for women. Today I will teach you embellishment and your forward ocho en tango. Sometimes in your forward ocho en tango, the leader leads sacada forward. The leader between your legs, the leader walk and produce the forward sacada. See? The important point for follower, you need to control your standing leg in el forward ocho and your free leg too. Sometimes the leader touch your back leg in sacada moment, and sometimes the leader don't touch. It depend the leader, depend the combination. Now, isn't when the leader touch a little bit your ankle and your forward ocho, your forward eight in tango. Let me show you the forward ocho moment without embellishment, and then I show you the option for you shine and your free leg. This is the position. You know forward ocho, try forward, collect pivot, forward, collect pivot, forward. See? Y collect pivot, forward, collect pivot, forward. I recommend this forward walk feel more elastic forward. It's not forward ocho in place. I agree if you put effect and slide forward. Y slide forward. More if the leader gives space in your embrace. See, if the leader is close embrace, sometimes no have space, and you need more space a little bit for produce long step. Sometimes the signal sacada is coming. See, this is for me important. Try your maximum forward eight, your forward walk. See? And then I show you the embellishment and this combination. Today I have the big news. See? After the embellishment, I give the information, the news. Okay, now this is the moment after forward ocho if the leader leads sacada between your legs. Try lift and collect immediately and next. Lift, collect, y lift, collect, y lift, collect. The idea is you lift, see, you lift up, is up and down, y up and down. It's not up and then too much time in the air. I don't like if you crash the other people, no, behind you in milonga. Take care of the space. So, forward, lift. Forward, right, lift. Y, right, lift. Y, pin. Pin. Y, up and down. Up and down. Before your pivot, collect your free leg and your standing leg. Before your next pivot, collect. See? A right, sacada, pum, collect, pivot, pum, collect, pivot. This is the timing. I recommend practice 5 or 10 minutes per day, and then this new combination is more familiar in your body. Now, I tell you about the new. Creé una colección de adornos y decoración para el baile de la mujer a pedido, porque muchas mujeres me estaban contando que se sentían desmotivadas, que no se sentían creativas. Entonces creé esta nueva colección de videos que tiene acceso ilimitado y toda la información para poder obtenerlos están abajo del video en la descripción. Te invito a mirar y a sumarte para tener nuevo material para tu tango personal. I'm Analía Centurión, this is my Tango Academy online for women, and see you soon.